Hey family, it's your girl Lavina again, and I'm so blessed to be coming back to you guys with another cash stuffing video, you guys. So grateful and blessed that I can come back and stuff anything. I'm so happy I have $1 to stuff. I'm so happy God gave me an opportunity to even wake up today, to even make this video. You know, so thank y'all so much for even coming in and spending a little time with your girl, because it is appreciated. If don't nobody else appreciate y'all, let me tell y'all right now, I got the best subscribers on YouTube, okay? And I appreciate y'all, and I love y'all, and I thank y'all for all that y'all pour into me. So let's get into the video, y'all. So today we will be stuffing my high priority binder, this black and gold thing right here. This right here is my high priority binder. Okay, so today we will be cash stuffing. Let me see. Let me turn the shmoney on over here. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. We got some shmoney. The table shaking. Gotta cut that out. All right, so that's 5, 10, 15. Let's separate this moolah, this dinero, these ducats. All right. So let's get into this. Let me scoot that tray over there so we can see. So how did I have this? So car. All right. So it's time for me to just start putting up a little bit for car, even though I'm not about to get the car right now because I really can't afford it. But I'm going to start saving. The one car situation is working out just fine with us, okay? Who would have ever thought? Sometimes we think we need some stuff when we can really do without. It's good to have, but sometimes, you know, it's just what it is. And once, you know, we find acceptance in some things, a lot of things go smoother. You know, and that's what I'm finding. Even with the job, I accept I gotta work a job, okay? And I go into work happy every day. You know, I'm not mad. I'm not all jolly like, hey, I'm happy to be here. But I'm grateful to have the job, okay? And there ain't no reason to have no attitude going to work. I make the best of it. I'm a pleasure. They tell me, my coworkers, I don't know what's going on, but they tell me I'm going to be employee of the month. Not that I'm trying. I just go in there and do my job. I treat my bosses with the respect that I would want. I'm an entrepreneur, so I know if I'm going to work for you, honey, I'm going to respect your business because I know how it is to have an employee or two, okay? So let's get into this video. All right, first we're going to give this car $8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. I hope y'all doing good today. I really do. 4th of July, you know, it's so amazing. Daquan is not scared of fireworks. He be chilling. This is the second fireworks we done had him. He was smaller the first one, but he you know, he wasn't acting like he was in the Vietnam, no kind of war. Like he wasn't acting like he was on the battlefield. We had a dog. His name was Blake. Oh my goodness. We was out back doing fireworks, and you know how the neighborhood fireworks be going off and everything. He ran to the recreation center. Will had to chase him blocks. I mean, he was gone. I was like, oh my goodness. I mean, he was gone. Poor baby, thank God he didn't get hit by a car or nothing like that. But that dog, honey, fireworks and this and that, it was traumatic for him. I am so happy. Daquan is of a different kind of, he's just a different dog, okay? And I love Daquan so much. All right, so insurance will be getting $2. Y'all know I'm working on getting some life insurance for my family. It was already $2 in here. And this is just so I can get a month ahead. So I'll be able to just get a month ahead when I do get it. Okay, so now we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in insurance. And I will be having life insurance soon. And it's not going to be the biggest policy, but it will be to get us buried for now. Okay, in case something happens. So I hate to even talk about that, but it's a reality. Okay, next we have my subscriptions. We'll be getting $2. 1, 2. So now we have, and this is just to get a month ahead. We still in the high priority binder. We still pay these bills, but like I explained before, this is just to get a month ahead. So this is one, not a month ahead, but a full month where we can actually pay the bill on the 1st. Okay, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4. In subscriptions, in my subscriptions, total is probably like $30 a month, y'all. So, all right. Pet care will be getting $5 for Daquan. It is his little pet challenge. We will be scratching this off. It's all kind of stuff, okay? Because I'm going to reuse this, so I'm just going to check it. I'm just going to put a little dot here, y'all, because I be reusing challenges, okay? I mean, when I get the money, I'll be able to buy some from some of the creators and, you know, some of the people on here. But I have like 5 savings challenges booked, that binder full of savings challenges. Like, I have been blessed by you guys. Well, I purchased the books, but well, one book, not my girl, where her book at? Let me see, so I can shout her out. My girl TL Gage, y'all remember her? Mattress Money. This is the only savings challenge that I didn't purchase myself. This was a gift from her, and I love this book. Hopefully I'll be able to get back into it soon. But it's definitely, she gave me 2 books. She gave me the savings challenge book, and then this is an actual book about the breakdown of money, you know, the 50, 30, 20 rule. That's her book. So y'all, she's on Amazon. Check her out if y'all want to support a small channel. All right. Okay, so now we have, in Daquan's challenge, we have 5, 10, 15. And we're going to keep this going. The pet, his grooming place messaged me the other day saying this 6 weeks, it's time for his grooming. He'll be there, but it ain't quite time yet. He get bathed on the regular and everything, and his hair is not that bad. So next we're going to do entertainment. It's going to get 1 ducat. Now we have $2 because we do fun stuff for now for free. Okay, I know we live in Central Florida near Orlando, but we not going to those parks right now or nothing else. We gonna do free stuff and real low income stuff. Y'all hear Daquan? That's his toy. He don't care. I'm taping. Okay, Wi-Fi will be getting $5. So now we have 15 in Wi-Fi bill, 5, 10, 15. Next, we will have the water bill. We will be getting $5 for that. So now we have $20 in our water bill. 5, 10, 15, 20. Thank you, God, for this money. Thank you. Y'all know the saying, like, when you have all this money, you know, and let me just say this. I blew so much money, y'all, and I'm telling you, this humbleness that me and Will have gotten, honey, we will be good stewards. The next time some money come around, or we get more money, or once we get out of this debt, so serious, because this economy, y'all, you just never know when it's gonna happen. You do not want to be in a situation where you just worrying all day about bills, or you just not sure. Like, it's a bad space, or just not having it, you know, it is a bad space. You might have it now, but telling you, keep it. Like, make sure y'all just do right, because y'all don't want to go through what I'm going through. I know some of y'all been there already, honey, and it ain't fun. Y'all tell them it ain't fun. Y'all know it's not fun. Okay? We know it's not fun. And that's on point blank, period. It's not a good look. Okay, so the next is the electric. Hopefully this should be $5. Okay, so electric now has this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so now let's count the electric. Now we have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, $18 in electric. Yes, honey. I am so proud. It's coming a long way, y'all. It's coming a long way. So, you guys, I want to send you guys off with some love. And just know that we can do all things through Christ that strengthens us. And if you don't believe in that, or I don't even want to be all religious on here. So just know that you can do anything you put your mind to. Whatever you are, whatever religion you are, whatever non-religion you are, you can do whatever you put your mind to and the effort into. Okay, you guys? So see you guys on the next video. Bye.